What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here, and as you can see, we did have quite a nasty correction in the market yesterday, where basically, there was a big event created by a lot of community members, basically saying they were going to buy Bitcoin as a celebration for the El Salvador event. And El Salvador did adopt Bitcoin, but it seems as though the market absolutely dumped. As a lot of whales, I think they used the opportunity to absolutely, basically tank the market. And as you can see, that's clearly what happened here. Basically, a lot of whales. It looks as though the market just absolutely collapsed. There was a lot of cascading liquidations. And, because Bitcoin rolled over like that, it affected a lot of altcoins like Egld, for example. But you can see here just the strength of how well Elrond has been doing recently. And you can see, it's come down and it's wicked perfectly onto the 55 here and got a really nice bounce, hasn't it? Yesterday, it bounced all the way up and actually perfectly recaptured the 20 moving average. And it looks as though we are currently in and around that area again. The 20 EMA on our daily time frame here, acting as a very, very interesting level for Elrond, isn't it? And you can see, it's showing a lot of strength in my opinion, considering that a lot of cryptos have been smashed down a lot. If we take a look at Bitcoin here, it's doing a similar kind of thing. It wicked all the way down onto the 55 here, and now it looks as though it'll probably consolidate like this for a while before having a bit of a continuation pattern. And we can see for Egld, this is no exception. If we take a little look here, you can see it's forming up very similar to the Bitcoin. Obviously, we had our overall range looking something like this, where basically we had a range like this. We form the bottom and the top of our range. We roll over under our EMAs. We have to fake out to the downside. We come back up and reclaim the 20, but we lose the 55. Stuck under the 55. We come down again, retest the bottom of the range as support, really bullish. As you can see, the trend reversal here, got a higher high and a higher low. Then we make a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Just basically trading to the upside now, aren't we? And once we reclaimed the EMAs and flipped them into support, you can basically see what's happened since then. We've been on a massive uptrend. We're broken out of our range. We retested it as support. We come up again to the next level. We come down and we retest the 20 moving average as support again. We got the break to the upside. Bit of sideways action for about a week. And then obviously this event happened where we had the big crash. We come down and we perfectly retest the 55 here as a support, which is really bullish. And today it looks as though we are just bouncing in and around the 20, trying to reclaim it. So, this is super bullish in my opinion, the fact that we're holding this support so well. And you can see pretty much to the dollar that we've held this 55 as support, which is very strong support. As we keep saying in all of our videos, essentially, this is very, very strong support for continuation, isn't it? Because if you lose the 20, you're looking for your 55, aren't you? If you want to see a bit of continuation, and as you can see, that looks as though that's what's happened. So we've got a series of ranges here, probably looking something like this realistically, where you can see we had a bit of a range here with the 20 forcing us to break to the upside. We broke to the upside, ranged here, we come back down, we try and hold this previous level of resistance as support, but we do lose it. We come all the way back down inside the range looking for support. We find it on the 55, and today we're getting the bounce to the upside. Looks as though we are stuck under that previous level of resistance here and under the 20 moving average as well. So it remains to be seen what's going to happen. But I would say short-term price prediction wise, if we did roll over again, you would expect the 20 here to hold really nicely, coming in at around that $135 level. And we do have this level here, this previous level of $140, which was a previous level of support, flipped into resistance, back into support here. So this area here, in between $135 and $140, could be a very strong level of support if we do roll over again. And if we do break back to the upside, and we start breaking back towards this $185 level in the next few days, and we just had a bit of a fake out here, then our next breakout target is that $200-ish level, up to a $205 in and around this level here, where there is a decent amount of resistance. So those are our short-term price predictions. And then if we just throw the Fibonacci retracement on this recent move like this, you can get an idea of the kinds of moves we can expect by the end of the bull run. And you can see our price targets here. We've got the 127 coming in at around $375. We've got the 141 coming in at around $463. We've got the 161 coming in at around $627. And we've got the 227 extension coming in at around $1,700, which is around a 10x from the current price. A very, very nice gain indeed. And we do think these are pretty realistic price targets. We'd expect at least $500 to $1,000 for Elrond by the end of the bull run. And then obviously that $1,700 level, an overextension around a 10x from the current price. Very, very achievable if we do start to see some momentum for Elrond. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.